If you want to get the Gmail on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to go to the App Store. Then in the App Store we're gonna go to search in the bottom right corner, and then we can tap on the search field in order to enter Gmail. There we go. And then we should be able to easily find the app. You might see the Get button or in cloud icon. And now we need to simply wait for Gmail to be downloaded and installed on our iPhone. Once installed, you can press open immediately from the App Store, and of course you should also be able to find the app in the home screen and or app library. Now of course you will need to sign in. So if you have used Google account somewhere on your iPhone, then you should be able to immediately find it. Or you can just add another account or log in or sign in or anything else that you will see on the screen. So simply follow the instructions. In my case, I can just simply press done. I can allow notifications, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Now we can use Gmail on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.